Okay, everyone, let's meet Gianna, a sophomore from Berlin, New Hampshire, majoring in general business with a minor in legal studies. She can't wait to tell us about all the opportunities to get involved in campus life and how transferring to this incredibly active college was a great decision for her. Gianna, please take it from here.
Thanks, Alex. Hello, everyone. Transferring to Nichols from a community college was a pivotal moment for me. The friendly and supportive environment here made acclimating to campus life seamless. Almost immediately, I realized that I wasn't just going to learn about business, I would be exercising my leadership skills and conducting real business. Engaging in extracurricular activities such as marketing, the Institute for Women's Leadership, and equestrian sports has enriched my Nichols experience, teaching me the importance of balance and self-discovery. As president of the marketing club, I'm honing my strategic planning skills, learning how to motivate and lead others, and gaining extensive knowledge on marketing theory, practice, and trends. The camaraderie and teamwork within the club have fostered lasting friendships and a strong sense of community. As treasurer of the equestrian team, I combine my love of horseback riding with managing the club's finances. The team's spirit and dedication taught me that the value of discipline, perseverance, and teamwork, qualities that transcend the equestrian arena. Additionally, my involvement in the Institute for Women's Leadership empowers me to advocate for women involvement on campus. Through workshops, mentorship programs, and networking opportunities, I'm gaining invaluable insights and forging connections with inspiring female leaders. Nichols has shown me that a college education goes beyond acquiring job skills. It's about taking risks, stepping outside of comfort zones, and inspiring your peers to do the same. Looking ahead, I'm excited to leverage these skills, experiences, and strong sense of purpose in my post-Nichols journey. I aspire to have a career where I can contribute to positive change and inspire others to reach their full potential. As a first-generation student, I hope to show others that higher education is within their reach. Now, back to you, Alex.
Gianna, kudos for your contributions on and off campus while caring for your 2- and 4-legged friends. And thank you for inspiring those first-generation students who will follow in your footsteps. I know several students in this episode are first gens, and wow, we admire your trailblazing ways. Take care.